Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to reveal to you guys my setup for 2024. I am personally so excited about this. The reason why it is coming so late, and you guys are probably thinking like, it's February already. It's because February 4th was my family's Christmas. So if you guys have been following along for a while, you know my mom, she's dealing with cancer, and so she had to go to Georgia and get some special treatment done there. And it was only supposed to be 30 days and she was supposed to be back in time for Christmas, but it got extended by another 30 days. So yeah, we just had Christmas. It was so good, so fun. We video called my older brother and him and his girlfriend, and they opened their presents, and like we opened ours, and it's just a good time. It's fun. So I officially have everything though for my 2024 lineup. So I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Also, if you're wondering about this black spot, don't mind it. It's just printer ink. Tried getting it off. It's gonna stay a while. So it'll be at least in this video and also the next video because I'm recording them back to back. So yeah. Okay, so we are starting off with my planner. You guys know this planner. I've showed you guys this planner. I did an unboxing video for it. I did a setup, my 2024 planner with you guys. And I love this planner. It is from Papers by Jessica Ann. I will have it linked down in the description. If you guys use the link to buy a planner yourself, I do get a little compensation, but I wouldn't be sharing it unless I actually genuinely loved it, and I love this planner. I had her planner last year as well, and so I got it again this year, and I just love it. It's pretty. I love the new coil that she did for it. I love this black vegan leather for it. And it's truly such a nice setup. And it's a genuine, like, really good, just budget tracker. And so I love this planner so much. So this is a part of my lineup. I have been using it almost every day for the most part. And so yeah, I'm excited to have this as part of it. So let's go ahead and jump into my actual budget wallets. I am so excited to open this. I actually got this back in December and have been literally waiting until this moment. If you can't tell from the tape, it is from the Aesthetic Dollar. And so yeah, I went ahead and got one for wallets when she, I think, did a restock back in December, something like that. All right, and here we go. I'm so excited. Stunning packaging. And okay, so first we have a freebie challenge and some different cards. Oh, look how tiny and cute this little candy cane is. What? That's so tiny. Oh my gosh. And then, okay, so we have, oh, and a little paper clip. Wow. The gift just keeps on giving. And then let's open it up. I think this is called a dust bag. I think it's really pretty as well. I'm so excited. Yay! Look at it. It's got gold accents to it. It's so pretty, so lovely, and just very simple, and definitely love it a lot. This is going to be my new sinking funds binder. Mostly because it is white, so I don't want to take it out and mess it up, and so she will be safe and sound here. But yes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Let's go ahead, and I'm actually going to go ahead and move the envelopes over into this binder with you guys. Here is my current wallet, which I also equally love so much. The only reason why I really wanted something bigger or something different is because I just have too many sinking funds, and these are very tiny hoops, and so I just was needing something a little bit larger of a hoop, and her binder definitely has that. So, oh wow, and I just dropped them all. We're gonna go ahead and move these over. All right, and there we go. And it fits them, they fit so much better. Oh my goodness. Man, I really hung on to using that black wallet for so long. So I am so excited for this. I'm gonna see if I can decorate this side because I think it'd look really cute. Like I've seen other people like put little things in here and like design it up a little. So I think I might do that just for a little added fun. Here, actually, let's do this. Here, at least do the paper clip. So we'll just go ahead and do that. And there we go. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Very nice. Oh, I'm so excited. And she closed beautifully. And yeah, I'm so excited. So that is my new Sinking Funds binder, and she looks so pretty. So I think this is her Sophie collection. Yeah, this is the Sophie collection that she has. So yeah, I love it. Go check her out. All right, we're moving on to the next one. For this next one, I am so excited. This is actually why I had to wait until now to do this, because it was a Christmas present. So here's the reveal. Da da da, Moterm, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, like just let's open this up. Gorgeous, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. And then there is a flyleaf, which this is the color. So I am so excited. There's like this genuine blue, like a beautiful blue. And I feel like it goes with ArielPlans so much. Oh, that's cool. Did not know that it came with some little notepads. That's beautiful. I love that. So I am so excited for this though. And so this will be my new like everyday wallet. So again, super excited for it. I'm gonna go ahead and add this flyleaf and let's see, how do we open this up? So we're gonna add this. I don't know really where I want it. Maybe I kind of want it in the front. So if I put it in the front, then I can like use this for receipts. There's so many pockets on this, guys. Like this is insane. Pocket there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have the zipper for the coins right here. And then pocket here, the big pocket in the back. Pocket here, pocket, 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 pocket. Pocket! There's so many pockets. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the flyleaf in the front, and then we will go ahead and put the envelopes in the back. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. So here is my current wallet. And as you guys know, I have talked about before giving this away to someone, and I'm gonna go ahead and still do that. I got this from LW Wallets. It's a beautiful wallet. It works amazing, very good quality. Honestly, it's actually about the color. The color isn't really me, and I know that sage green is like so extremely popular right now. So I want to give it to someone that will genuinely love this and cherish it. So let's actually go ahead and talk about that now as I'm transferring it over. So it will be US only, and you have to subscribe to me here. Like the video, this video, and then also comment when you started budgeting or when you're going to start budgeting. I started back in 2019, took a brief pause when 2020 hit with cash budgeting because nobody was taking cash and it made it only a larger struggle. And so I had to stop cash budgeting for that reason. And so, but then I picked back up in 2022 and have been doing it consistently since. So that is how long I have been doing it, and I am so glad that I did, because I don't think my finances would be in any better shape than it is today. So definitely glad and grateful for that. So, oh my gosh, I love it. I think they look so good in here. Oh, it feels so nice. So excited about this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is my lineup for 2024. I love it so much. I love the simplicity of the color, black, white, and blue. I mean, I feel like that's kind of what ArielPlans has been for over a year now, really, when I got my blue wallet last year for Christmas. And so, wow, I think there's like some pattern happening. Maybe I might do something again this next year, but Yeah, I'm so excited. I love the functionality of it all. Personally, I love just having the 2 different binders because it just, otherwise I would probably go crazy if I had more than just the 2. So every day sinking funds, and then everything I do with planned budgeting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you yourselves are also ready for 2024. If you did, please go ahead and leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, especially to enter into that giveaway. And then the giveaway will end somewhere around here on the screen. I will put a little text box. And yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to enter the giveaway, to go ahead and give my sage green wallet to someone that will truly love on it and all that. It's still in really good condition. It's just been used. I haven't used it, I don't think, that long. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!